How to transfer tickets on Vivid Seats. Hello, welcome once again. In today's tutorial, you would learn how you can create an account on Vivid Seats. To do this is very simple, so kindly follow this tutorial to the end. First of all, log in into your Visit account, just like I have done here. And then once you are logged in, this is how your homepage would look like with the events available for you in your area. Once you can see all of this, move to the top part of the screen where you can see a navigation bar. Then move to the top right corner and move your cursor around your My Account icon. Then a drop down menu will be displayed. In this menu, select Orders, alright, just under Account. By selecting Orders, you'll be brought to your Orders page. On this page, you should see all of your events, the ticket that you've purchased. The thing for Vivid Seat is that when you purchase tickets from the site, your upcoming events would be listed here. Alright, so the next option will be for you to click on the event whose ticket you would like to transfer. Once you click on the event, choose the ticket, then click transfer and enter the recipient's email. Once you click transfer, you'll see the box which allows you to enter the recipient's email. Enter the recipient's email, confirm the transfer, and then the recipient would get an email to accept. So all you need to do is to tell the recipients to go to their inbox. If they're using Gmail, they should just go ahead to their inbox, and then once you type in their email, you click transfer. The ticket will be found in their inbox as a mail from you, and that is just how to transfer ticket or from your Vivid Seat account. It is very simple. All right, so go ahead to try it out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.